Hey, what's up guys, it's Tech Jake, and today I'm checking out something that a lot of creators, small businesses, and even hobbyists are gonna love. This is the InkSonic UV DTF printer, the A3 sticker making machine, model VF13. Now, this thing isn't just your average printer. It's built for custom wraps, decals, and designs on pretty much any surface you can think of. Cups, ceramics, plastics, metals, wood, glass. You name it, this machine is made to handle it. So, let's talk about what makes this stand out. First off, if you've ever tried making custom stickers or decals, you know that the biggest challenge is versatility. You want one printer that can work across multiple materials without losing color accuracy or durability. That's exactly what UV DTF printing solves. Instead of being limited to just paper or film, this InkSonic printer lets you print vibrant, long-lasting designs that actually adhere well to all sorts of objects, whether it's a personalized coffee mug, a laptop skin, or even a glass jar with a custom logo. The A3 size is also worth pointing out. It means you're not restricted to tiny labels, you can go big with wider designs, or batch print a ton of smaller stickers all at once. For small business owners doing custom products, that's a huge productivity boost. Now, the VF13 model comes with features that are designed to make the printing process a lot smoother. The UV curing system ensures that the ink bonds quickly and evenly to the surface, which means less waiting around and more consistent results. And with UV ink, you're getting designs that are scratch-resistant, water-resistant, and fade-resistant. So if you're selling products, you don't have to worry about the print wearing off after a few washes or some sun exposure. Another thing I appreciate here is just how user-friendly this machine is. A lot of specialty printers require a steep learning curve, but InkSonic has streamlined the setup so you don't have to be a printing expert to get professional-looking results. Plus, it's designed for continuous use, so whether you're running a side hustle or a full-on business, it's built to keep up with demand. And let's be real, printing technology like this used to be locked behind expensive industrial machines that only large companies could afford. But having an A3 UV DTF printer like the InkSonic VF13 puts that same quality in reach for individuals, Etsy sellers, or even people just wanting to make custom gifts. In terms of applications, the list is almost endless. Custom branding for small shops, personalized wedding favors, promotional products, hobby crafts, or even corporate logos on office supplies. If you can think it, you can probably print it with this machine. The design quality is impressive too. UV DTF printing gives you sharp detail, rich colors, and a glossy finish that really makes designs pop. Whether it's bold, vibrant art or fine line logos, it doesn't lose clarity. And because it's direct to film, you're also not limited by the surface texture. It works on flat, curved, and irregular shapes. That's a big deal if you're customizing things like tumblers or phone cases. So yeah, the InkSonic UV DTF printer VF13 is one of those tools that really bridges the gap between professional printing and personal creativity. It's versatile, reliable, and packed with features that make it worth considering if you're in the market for a printer that can do more than just paper. And if you're interested in picking one up for yourself, I've got you covered. You'll find a link down in the description where you can check it out and grab one for your own projects. Once again, it's Tech Jake, and if you want to buy the InkSonic UV DTF printer, a 3-sticker making machine, a VF13, custom wraps and decals for cup, ceramics, plastics, metals, wood, glass, and a whole lot more, then please visit the link provided in the description.